Hello, today I will be discussing digital burettes and how to prep them for use.
Let's review the digital burette. There's the clear or zero button, the power button. Some units have a pause button, the reservoir of titrant, a bypass valve, which is used to direct titrant back into the bottle, the dispensing tube, the bottle of titrant. It is good practice to indicate the date received and the lot analysis on the bottle. Now it's time to purge the reservoir. Turn on the burette and make sure the bypass valve is set to bypass. If the reservoir is not already full, use the dispensing knob to fill it. Once the reservoir is full, empty it. Once the piston is at the bottom of the reservoir, perform several quick fill-flush movements. This will help dislodge any gas bubbles stuck to the bottom of the piston. Refill the reservoir. Check for and clear any gas bubbles in the dispensing line. It is common for gas bubbles to develop over time. They will migrate to the high point in the dispensing line. These bubbles will need to be purged from the dispensing line before use. Remove the cap from the tip of the dispensing line. Turn the bypass valve to dispense. Turn the dispensing knob quickly several times. You may need to do this several times to purge all the gas bubbles. Once all the gas bubbles are gone, the digital burette is ready for use.